11:15, we're taking another break. Second break pa lang naman namin for today. And it's a Monday, so we have a full week ahead to take breaks.
Speak for yourself.
So these are the work besties. We have different vibes for breakfast. Siopaw and a granola bar. For today's vlog, we just had lunch sa office. Pero now we're on the way out for dessert. Sweet treat! So it's 12. Nag-decide kami what time uwi. 7. I got here 7. So 4 ako uwi. Pero si SJ. Pero she's leaving at like 2. Tapos si Ev arrived at 7. Uwi 30. So last week.
Ano yung kailangan mo dito?
So, tell us about yourself. Interview.
Yung question? Bakit naman yung ano?
Si Jewel will be the interviewer, the recruiter for...
Questions yung i-ask us. Are you curious?
Am I?
Curious?
Maybe.
I'm hungry na. Pag malaglag to, hindi na tayo matutuloy sa kapag. Oh my gosh!
Go home.
Huwag ka ganyan.
Go home right now. I mean, mukha pa rin naman akong tao, so that's one. Good for me. Good for me.